ng buntag ng tanan. Every once in a while, driving along our streets, we encounter some reckless drivers weaving in and out of traffic na makalagot usahay and makaingon ta wag gyud mohatag premyo ninyo ang inyong kabuan. Nobody will ever give price to your foolishness. Of course, we may not know if they are on emergency, but there are some people who just like to show off. And so sure of themselves, so proud of themselves, just like the Pharisee in our gospel today. Na he was very sure of himself na Bootan na Kuno siya, Kunohay. What was worse is that iya pag yung idakot ng tax collector. I remember besides kanang praising himself, he also looked down on the Pharisee and the tax collector. That made me remember the late Cardinal Vidal. He once said, I thank God that He made me short so that I will not look down on people. In this Mass, we ask pardon from God for the many times that we have looked down on people, the many times we have been so proud of ourselves. And we always remember this teaching of the gospel today. Everyone who exalts himself will be humbled, and the one who humbles himself will be exalted. As we drive our way through life, let us for that grace of God that always, everywhere, we may remain humble. For being humble is the price itself.